Hello, my name's Aloud and I'm 6 years old, and today I will be reading Today I Will Fly. Today I Will Fly by Mo Willems. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly! I will try. Goodbye! You will not fly! She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, fly, fly. You need help. Thank you, I do need help. I will get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped! I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. You are flying. You're flying today. My friend can't fly. She can't fly. I'm not flying. You are not flying? I'm getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. And hope you enjoyed this video.